Hey guys, welcome back to the News Motorbike. Today, we've got something truly special. A machine that blends the wild spirit of 1990s custom culture with today's cutting-edge performance. Meet the Neo-Classic Rebellion CB1000F, a stunning collaboration between Ars Gear and TSR, making its world debut at the legendary Suzuka 8 Hours. If you were riding in the 90s, you remember, it was the golden era of motorcycle customization. Creativity exploded, trends shifted at full throttle, and street bikes wore their personality loud and proud. The Neo-Classic Rebellion CB1000F takes that raw energy and rebuilds it for a new generation. The name Rebellion reflects its mission: defy convention, push boundaries, and challenge the norm. From modern bass to retro soul. While the CB1000F concept is a modern high-performance naked machine, this custom build channels the styling cues of the 1990s NK custom scene. Every detail screams craftsmanship. The dazzling white paint is splashed with red and dark blue Spencer graphics. A masterpiece laid down by Paint Shop Gunfighter in Osaka. A headlight cowl can be fitted for those who want a bolder look. And a small but spirited Honma Atsui Rider's Spirit logo pays homage to the old-school Heart Riders group. Performance upgrades are everywhere. The titanium megaphone exhaust, co-developed by Ars Gear and TSR, gleams with that perfect burnished finish, delivering a proper neo-classic punch. Under your boots, machined aluminum foot pegs from Ars Gear double as functional artwork. Gear changes snap into place thanks to TSR's own quickshifter, while the rider's view is framed by a bullet-style dual-meter housing in aluminum, neatly encasing the CB1000F's 5-inch color TFT display. Up front, the separate style handlebars and top bridge are CNC machined from aluminum by TSR, paired with carbon fiber mirrors from Magical Racing. Cooling duties are handled by TSR times degree radiators and oil coolers, dressed with TSR's signature blue hoses. The wheels are silver Magtani alloys from Beto R&D, a TSR exclusive, stopped by Sunstar slotted brake discs. Even the seat makes a statement, with a stepped superbike-inspired design and carbon-look leather on the pillion. The Neo-Classic Rebellion CB1000F will be shown for the first time in the world at Nankai Village, part of the 8FES area at the Suzuka Circuit Traffic Education Center, kicking off at 9 a.m. on Saturday, August 2, 2025. Right now, every part you see is a prototype, but development is ongoing, meaning the production version of the CB1000F could come with even more surprises.